video, we learn how to earn coins and redeem them on Marsplay. Earning coins is really easy and fun. Every view on your video brings you 10 coins. Every like on your post gets you 15 coins. Every unique share by a user on your post gives you 50 coins. And in the end, every unique comment on your post brings you 100 coins. Now let's talk about how to redeem your earned coins on Marsplay. Firstly, open the app. The app opens on the home page. Locate a gold coin on the top left corner of the home screen. Click on it, the reward zone will open. On this screen, you can see the total coins you have earned up till now, your transaction history, which shows your activity on the app that led you to earn the coins, and coin rules, which give you information on how to earn coins on Marsplay. To redeem your coins, click on the Redeem Coins button in the middle of the screen. This will take you to the Redeem Zone where you will see different coupons and vouchers. You can select any according to your choice, according to the money you wish to withdraw. Your money will be transferred to your Paytm account if you have chosen Paytm Cash. In case you choose a voucher, after clicking on Redeem, you will get your exclusive voucher.